and a warm welcome to you all to Teledu'r Tele. Shwmae I chi gyd. In this video we are going to concentrate on Jit, and in a bit more detail we are going to look at the paint section. So we've got the 8 sections of the Jit package here. There's a video of all 8 of those packages, all 8 of them on our YouTube channel. So we'll click on the paint. The same as the right package, there's options there to choose a template. Okay, there's many templates there. There's even ones that you can colour in. Good practice. For this one, I think I'll choose the blank. Right, what can we do in paint? If you think, oh yeah, I would like a template, you just need to go to the red circle with a star of some sort inside, and that will take you back to the templates. Okay, you can add a picture yourself if you desire. What can we do? Right, so the first thing is there's the paint box, which allows you to change the background. There's a green background here that makes it look like grass. Let's just check that out. You can just do it in dots like this, but I'd like to fill it in. Now obviously the best invention in the world is the undo button. I don't want these, so we'll just get rid of those. We go into the paint box and I'll colour my background in yellow. Okay, if you want to choose your colour, okay, we'll go orange, white, but I think I'll stick with the yellow. The next thing you can do, okay, we're going to write something or draw a picture. Okay, so I'm not an artist, but we'll give this a go. We'll write the school's name first. Teledu'r. Obviously I'm rushing here. No, I think this is the best one I've done. Teledu'r. And then obviously we're in paint, so we need to make a picture of some sort. Now then, this is a self-portrait. Okay, self-portrait here. There we go. Self-portrait, excellent. Bit of detail in there. Blue eyes. There we go. And the last thing you can do is you can add pictures into it. So at the moment the default is animals. If you click on the word animals, it gives you other options. Okay, there's loads of options there. If you want to include a picture that's maybe on the computer already, or you want to take a picture, there's a few options here. So that'll take a picture on whatever device you're using. If you're using an iPad, it'll take you to that, or if you're using the PC, you might have a web camera. Then the second one is there's a web search. That'll keep you inside the J2E package, so it won't take you to Google. It'll be a web search within a safe web page. Then you can share it with a friend. There's my pictures, so if you've got it stored on a device or on your desktop, you can find it there. So there's a few options you can explore there. I'm going to stick to my trusty lion, school's emblem, Llaw Llwyddo. I will include that. And there we go, that's the painting I've created. Remember to name your work, very important. So I'm just going to say school poster, and there we go. Remember to save it. Last thing we always do when you're happy. And there we go. I hope that's been of help. That's the paint package of Jit. Diolch yn fawr i chi. Wela i chi eto. Hwyl am y tro.